I'll start. Yeah. So let's start with one or two activities. Then we'll have the presentations by the participants. Is that fine?
Okay.
Thank you. So I'll share the screen. बट उससे पहले एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं. इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी सबके लिए है कि एक पीस ऑफ पेपर ले लीजिए, आसपास कोई हो, या डायरी अगर कोई हो, नोटपैड हो, डायरी हो. नहीं है तो एक बार ले लीजिए, और एक पेन या पेंसिल ले लीजिए. सो एवरीबडी कैन टेक अ पेन और पेंसिल एंड piece of paper to write on that. Okay. Now we have to write one small thing, but very important, which is you have to write down your own name, but with non-dominant hand. मतलब उल्टे हाथ से अपने को लिखना है. So those who are right-handers write from left hand, and left-handers will write from right hand. संगीता जी, आप भी ये ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
So let's write down our name, our own name, full name, that is first name, middle name and surname. Nickname नहीं
Okay.
चलेगा यहाँ पे.
Okay.
So write down your full name with non-dominant hand.
Okay.
Yes. So have you written down, all of
Yes,
you?
sir.
So how is the experience while writing?
It's just like it's a first class. When I was in first class, the teacher said कि अपना नाम लिखो, तो इतना ही मुश्किल होता था.
Right. तो लग रहा है कि हम बैक टू नर्सरी चले गए, बैक टू. तो
हाँ, ऐसे
इसमें
लग रहा है कि अभी प्राइमरी स्कूल में चले गए.
मुश्किल क्यों लग रहा है ये?
मुश्किल इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि अभी इसका प्रैक्टिस नहीं है.
यस, प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, या हमने कभी बहुत सालों पहले किया होगा जब बचपन में थे. अनुराग जी, व्हाट इज द लर्निंग
Yes.
फ्रॉम दिस एक्टिविटी?
Concentrate. You have to concentrate on doing things. में ठीक से लिखने के लिए काफी concentrate करना पड़ता है. Slowly. Fast नहीं
राइट,
करना है.
वेरी गुड पॉइंट. इफ वी कॉन्सेंट्रेट देन वी कैन डू द थिंग्स विच आर अनयूजुअल. या जो पहली बार करते हैं वो भी अगर कंसंट्रेशन से करेंगे तो वो कर सकते हैं. Isn't it?
Right.
Very good point.
Yes.
Prateek ji, what's your learning?
So actually, what we do, like sometimes we resist to do something, so we just try to do it just to complete that task. So definitely, this is we generally don't do, but we are trying to it. So that is on a progress mode. Like we are understanding that change mode.
Yeah, so this is a change thing because we are
Yes,
doing a new thing, so it's a change
new
for
thing,
us.
right?
But yeah, persistence always help.
Yes.
Very good point. Anmol, do you want to share your experience?
Sure, sir. Sir, I believe when we try something new, something that we haven't done before, it's a different experience, different challenge that we are taking over. And it challenges us and it challenges as well as our brain to try something, to push something, to push towards something.
Yes, yes. So these are the new challenges, and new challenges push us to do something different. And yeah, initially it takes some time to do something different. Initially, it takes practice, it takes perseverance. But when we practice, when we persevere, then we become master in it. Isn't it?
True, sir.
Very good sharing. So this is also being reflected. If you see this slide, the point that we have discussed, it is also shown on this graph. In fact, this is a kind of a very important slide which is helping us to know about understanding change. So every change starts with a rejection or resistance. So initially we don't know about it, or we hardly know few things about that change or about that particular new thing. So we resist that. So that's why it is said unconscious incompetence. We don't know what we don't know. So, or when we are starting a new goal or a new habit, first of all, it's very difficult. It looks very uncomfortable. So that's why we are in the rejection zone. But then, as and when we start practicing, then that we start moving to acceptance zone. So from resistance to acceptance. Is that fine?
Yes.
Yes.
And then further, we start practice more and more and more. It becomes natural. It start becoming natural. So from conscious competence, it will come to unconscious competence when we start attaining mastery. So let's take another example here. That is, suppose we, in the beginning, when we start learning cycle in our childhood, initially it was tough. But then when we start practicing it, तो बाद में कैसा महसूस होता है जब साइकिल चलाते हैं हमें पता ही नहीं लग रहा साइकिल चला रहे हैं. It becomes very easy. And it is true for all the new habits or new thing or new goal that we strive for. Initially it looks tough, but then when we start practicing, then it becomes easy. So that's why it has been said, practice make.
Man's perfect.
So practice make habits permanent. Because as and when we do more practice, our habits become permanent. So this is the same method that we are using in this program, very powerful program of personal and business transformation. And this program is helping us to learn to attain new habits, which you have done since 2 months when you started this program in August, actually, since 3 months, in fact, now. So now this is the time to up the ante. This is the time to continue with that practice. And then we practice so much, then it becomes natural. These new habits will become natural and we will start attaining mastery. So do you commit your 100% to attain that mastery? Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you. Now let's move further. अभी हम एक वीडियो देखते हैं इसी पे. I will show you a video जिसमें people have practiced so much. They have practiced so much and they have strived perfection. They have strived excellence. They have strived mastery through practice. And they have got amazing results. So let's see this video and share your experience. So I'll just share the screen, video and audio. Yeah. So are you able to see and listen?
Yes.
So very good video and amazing message. So what is the important learning from this video? Anybody?
Like practice with passion in right direction, you can lead you to your reach your higher goals. Like
Absolutely brilliant. So practice and passion is very important, and that is why we did that activity, which also showed another kind of perspective. And we can attain the mastery, then we can achieve any goal that we are capable of achieving. So now coming to the point where now each participant will share their midterm presentation. So I have received the presentations from all of you. Thank you for that. And let us start sharing it one by one. So I'll start with Mr. Prateek.
yes, sir.
Do you want to share from your side or should I share?
No, sir. Actually, I have added something on the progress part, one line which you
Yes,
had
yes.
advised, na. So I have added in that.
Very
So
good.
if possible, I can share on my
Yeah,
end.
so I am making you co-host so that
Yes,
you can share.
yes, sir. Please.
And you can, if possible, you can also share your video.
Yes,
Want to
sure.
share want to see your smiling face?
Okay. Uh, can I share? Right.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes, sir. My screen is visible, sir.
अभी नहीं दिख रहा है बट आप एक बार शेयर करेंगे हाँ अब आ रहा है यस नाउ आई कैन सी
Just a second. Now.
यस यस इट्स
Okay.
विजिबल
Yeah. So would like to start with my presentation. Okay, that is midterm. Like we had completed around 4 chapters as of now. So just step by step, we will go ahead. Like first, what are the ideas? Like best outcomes, and we got from the lessons. First is the concept of value of time. We know the value of time now. Earlier also we were aware, but the thing per minute per value, how much we waste our time in unimportant tasks. So we are aware about the important tasks. We can aware about the imperative task. We can analyze our time schedule, and we know the worth of time. So that is the learning I got. Second is this setting up short range goals. Definitely, earlier also I was doing, but yes, short term range goals will lead to definitely slowly and slowly, step by step, I can reach my HPA higher goals. And then forming weekly habits. Forming weekly habit, which helps in reaching my goals in every week, like to reach our HPAs. Then, sir, I'm audible.
यस यस वेरी गुड
Okay. Then prioritizing our goals, like according to my HPAs. So we had set some our HPAs, our goals, which will be coming in our next slides. So you got to know which are the my business and professional goals. So accordingly, I'm prioritizing my goals to reach my task on time. Then concept of stretch goals, that is to use extra efforts to accomplish goals. Like in end of the day, I used to see which are the pending tasks left for each day, and then I can set for next day I can accommodate those are the pending tasks and which I had already done, so I can just schedule my daily goals accordingly. Then concept of wheel of life, that is also well explained in that chapter. Then managing this email, that was my biggest threat earlier, that I'm not able to manage my emails. Definitely this concept of 4D, that is decide, delegate, defer, whatever I need to do with the mails which I got. Plenty of mails, like around 100 mails I got per day, so I need to see which are the things I can do on my own, which are the things my subordinate can do, or which are the things I can postpone or I can defer. So I managing that. Earlier that was the count of mail in my outbox. It was around, you can say around near about 600 to 700 mails, but now it is not reduced to 0, but yes, well, to around 70 to 80 mails are there from around 600. So that is the achievement. Like, okay, I'm managing my mails now more efficiently.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So next is like interruption. Daily we have some our routine. Okay, we had set plan one day before. I as per the advice by Rahul sir, so I already planned like one day before. I used to sit with my subordinate also. I used to tell him what are the things we need to do jointly. What are the things I need to do for next day. So definitely the interruption which comes often, like the calls, the mails, something. So accordingly, I need to see, okay, which are the things which I can uh, avoid in our daily routine. So how to avoid interruption, that also well explained from the lessons I learned. How to product our productivity and save our time in some unavoidable circumstances. Definitely it save our energy, it save our time. Then importance of writing for clear communication. This is very important. First we need to define the purpose of sending the message, and second we must clearly define the response of action we want, us the result which we want from that like message which we are sending to the so we must be clear about the communication part, clear communication.
So very good ideas. Yeah.
Further on, actually, then the importance of visualization. Earlier also, when I used to track my goals, but yes, I never ever thought about this visualization concept. If I need to see myself in a very cool-minded after 50, 30 or 40 years, I need to visualize the things right now so that I can clearly and distinctly visualize the result that will come from my like pursuit efforts. Like it focuses my attention also on our goals, and it increases my desire, and which allows to travel on that path to reach my destination, right? And then importance of tracking, like definitely we are setting our daily habit, daily tracking sheet monthly. Yesterday also I sent to Rahul sir that my tracking sheet. I always follow my that tracking sheet, whichever the things I used to see, like in September, uh, major daily habits I already tracked. Okay, which are the things I'm lacking, like reading habit. So I already pointed out that yes, I need to see, I need to track it, and I need to plan it in that way that I should not miss that activity in my coming month, November. So that is also important. We can measure our progress by keeping an eye on our daily tracking thing, definitely. And role of empathy in lesson 4, that is also very well explained, that empathy in the communication. Empathy is nothing, that it's the ability to look into the situation from the viewpoint of another person and understand their feelings, their beliefs, so that we should understand the concept of empathy in our communication. Successful communication, okay, that is also two ways. We must present our ideas in that way that other can understand. Yeah, definitely, if we are sending something to other person, if we are willing to take something result from that message, definitely others should understand. So that we need to see, asking the right question. Definitely in our general practice, I am into sales, so in general practice we need to ask from the customer. Being a technical product, we need to ask the right question that will give the genuine understanding, like for my products I can understand the application of my customer. So definitely that is the right asking right questions. And avoiding selective listening, like whenever we hear something, we need to see, okay, we need to cut short something. Okay, what we need, what we want to hear, we generally we listen that only, and we just avoid the other descriptive of listening. Okay, so that is important, that hearing only what pleases us and fit into preconceived ideas, listening with an open minded and resist any tendency to overreact. So that is also important. That also I learned from this lesson. This is all about the best ideas which I got till lesson 4.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया.
Now, win-win goals, like for a business. Currently, I set around 4 goals. Okay, First is this to increase my business, to increase my business in terms of new product launch in India, that is liquid solid separator and filter. That is deadline I set it for 30th March. So 30th March 2021, right? So currently the situation stays I already achieved one filter from Johnson Matthey for this filter business already started. And for LSS, liquid solid separator, that already we are doing one trial with PepsiCo. So that trial will complete by 30th January. So definitely after that, we expect, according to the how trial goes with our machine, we will get the result. So we are getting the business now for filters.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So that is there. So already started now, and we are on the track, and we are hopeful to get some business for LSS also in coming times. And the second is this to overachieve my annual sales target, like 10%. Till date, we had achieved 63 lakhs order booking against a target of once year 100 lakhs. So till date, we have shortfall we can say, or we can backlog, we can say around 37 lakhs. So it is not that much amount. Definitely, we have couple of orders in our pipeline. Like Big Muscle Group is there. Like, okay, these are the client names and with the values which we can expect. And still we have 3 months, like January is our financial closing year. Okay, we have still 3 months time. We will be getting some leads. We will be exploring from cold calls. So definitely this 10%, I can say maybe it will be around 15 or 20% will achieve that, overachieve my annual sales target by 31st January, definitely. Then to improve the presentation skills, definitely I'm working for that. And for this, I specifically assigned myself one presentation that is for filter, like new product which we had launched in India. So definitely filter and LSS, liquid salt separator. So I'm just gathering the competitor data, and after that, definitely I will be preparing one presentation. So this thing I'm working, but still the data is incomplete from the competitor edge, but what I need to explore. So definitely will complete by 30th December or before also. Definitely, I'm trying hard for that. Then to have an integration like with the food consultant, like this is also one of the major business goal we had set it this year. That what we generally notice that we have some system integrated in Pune, that is GLAD. So GLAD give us business so many like it's just an OEM type. So we are getting like n number of machines order directly from one client. That is they are the consultant. So likewise approach we had adopted for North India, and we are exploring food consultants in North India. Already I had established some contact and started working with PMG and IPS Group. PMG, with PMG, definitely I am expecting one order that is around 35 lakhs in coming within 1 month.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you. Then coming on the personal front, win-win goals and their progress. First is the physical activity. Like I want to lose like 5 kg weight. Started doing exercising. Okay, that already I am doing and tracking in my daily tracking sheet. Okay. And morning, evening walks also. Like evening walk I just mentioned, but I need to again track it. Just like in morning walk, I track on my daily habits. Okay, and till date, like 1.2 kg, 1.1 kg, I can say has been reduced from so far. This activity started since September. So last, not that much result, but still it's okay. On a positive note that I am reducing, and I will reduce. That is there. Second is to listen songs at least for 1 hour evening. Definitely the time also I set it. That's 7 after working hours, after goal accomplishment, everything set. So 7 to 8 p.m. for listening songs or something which can refresh my mind or something, so that I can spend with my time with my family. So I can listen.
How do you feel when you listen this?
Definitely, my family also amazed that how it happens. Generally, I used to work till around 9 to 10 p.m. Like, because of my UK people, UK it's a UK based company, so I need to see their timing also. But now 7 to 8 it is fixed. That is definitely I need to listen songs and I need to refresh my mind. Okay, that is also boosting. That gives me positive vibes actually.
Wow.
So, and then retirement plan. That is this figure. This 2 crores. Which is I can say I need to see. Okay, it is not in 2050. 2 crores is nothing. I will be. I can say. So it will be maybe around 20 crores or 10 crore, whatever the things. But definitely one figure must be there in my mind. And definitely I have opened my PPF account recently. So definitely that, and also exploring more investment plans so that I can save like for the well-being, like for retirement plan. And then to make a reading habit. Okay, that I told, like it's a new thing which I need to develop it. I need to develop it. I need to like see in on which subject I need to start it. So this is a new habit. I just develop. I want to develop. That is there.
Congratulations on your achievements.
Thank you.
And few inputs from my side. Like
Okay.
in case of retirement plan, can you specify maybe in the subsequent months now, that is from November, how much per month saving you want to have? Say
No,
next three
actually,
months or 6 months time.
I had just opened the PPF account and I had deposited the maximum slab, that is 1.5 lakhs. I already deposited, so there is no limit as such. So now that limit is over, and now that deposition amount will be starting from April onwards in PPF. Yes, exploring new investment plans. Uh, ex- I'm just exploring actually, not very recently because already I just invested in PPF the full amount. So
Okay.
definitely that is there. So
So you
just
have
that's why.
already achieved this year's saving plan, saving target.
Yes, I already done it. But just for my like, I would like to ask, like this investing in this share market, that is also one of the plan, or it is something else? Because already I opened just
Yes.
recently my this account also,
Like we
trading account.
generally suggest to invest through mutual funds. But yeah, we can discuss it. You may call me today after 6:30 so that we can discuss it.
Okay, fine, definitely. I will call you for that. Right.
Yeah, we so I will discuss it in detail.
Yes, sir. Any other inputs?
In case of last one, there's like to make reading as a daily habit. In this, you can also allocate some time, like 15 minutes or half an hour, depending on your.
Okay.
So do you want to do that?
Yes, definitely. If I put it, definitely I need to do it.
Okay, great. So you
Right.
can note down the time that you want to allocate.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Actually, for reading habit, I just exploring which subject will initiate me, will increase my interest on that. That is there. So I'm just exploring my interest, and then I will pursue the timings, everything.
Good.
Yeah. Now, like the changes, like in behavior changes, which in last 2 months, which I come across, that concept of this power of written goals, like applying on my daily, weekly habits, whatever I have written, what I have just chasing on my goals, definitely it helps me on my daily, weekly, and monthly activities to complete that activities, right? Second, I have started keeping track on daily, weekly, and monthly activities depending on the priorities also. Like started prioritizing a task depending on important, non-important tasks. Like what are the things which I need to do it. So I just see the priority. Like after prioritizing, after completing the prioritizing task, if the time permits, definitely I will spend times on those non-important activities. Uh, and then I started keeping patience at my workplace. Definitely earlier there was a say I lose my patience many times, not sometime, many times. But yes, now I am feeling calm, composed because my work is completed on time, and definitely I am chasing with my goals properly. Uh, I have started delegating tasks. Like, okay, I have a team member, so I just try to give him some tasks which he don't know also, but yes, he can learn, and overall he can. If he increases his productivity, and definitely it will increase our overall organization productivity. So I used to give him now tasks. Earlier I was not able to give him because I'm not having any the confidence level on my subordinates. So definitely I'm just deleting those tasks now onwards. Started keeping a track of having a breakfast. Definitely this is a good thing happened, and my family also amazed that definitely I'm taking my meals on time. And this time is also fixed like 9 a.m. That also I had mentioned my daily tracking sheet.
Nice.
Yes. Started thinking and acting on investment. Yes. Started thinking and acting. Already thought about the investment plan, acted, opened my PPF account, and invested on that. So that's already done. But yes, this is also a great thinking, because earlier never thought about my retirement 2050 or 2060 plan. So this also amazed me, and then started saying no in some unavoidable situation. Definitely, the things which I am not able to do it, or it is not under my subject. So definitely I'm started saying no in many cases now, which are not able to avoidable, like unavoidable situation. To spend time on high pay of activities. Definitely, major time are on HPS, and I'm spending times accordingly, like schedule which I started for HPS. Started handling with interruption, managing emails, like I told in first slide as well, that 4D strategy, that is very good actually. Decide, delegate, delete, and defer. And with this, my more or less the stress level on my emails, definitely it shoot down to very low.
Yeah, very good. The actions and the changes which you have done, that's really commendable, and keep it
Thank you.
up.
Thank you.
And also email your revised presentation to me, this one.
Yes, sir, definitely I will.
And yeah, maybe you can also share with your seniors.
Sure, sir. Sure. I already shared with you na, at that time. I already shared with my bosses with copy mark to Anirudh.
This revised one.
Okay, definitely I will do. Then 7 days goal achievement. Okay, 7 days goal achievement is maintaining that daily tracking sheet, keeping an eye, keeping a record on my day-to-day activities, like what I do generally. I am being a sales employee. I need to do cold call. That is very important. And how much minutes or hours I need to spend? At least 1 hour I need to spend. And the result from this, which I have got in last around 2 months, that already 15 new customers had been established. That is for Haryana region. So that is very specific. Like cold call I need to do, how much hours? 1 hour at least. And what result I got it from this? 15 new customers had been established and contacted, like for Haryana region. So that is also good achievement, I can say. My monthly tracking sheet, definitely I'm quite successful to get the overdue payments from last one of the client I was just chasing. So that is in my monthly tracking sheet. I need to chase it, and we had got well on time, like the payment from OCCL client. And then daily spending time on self development, like morning walk, listening songs. Okay, definitely I'm already on the track. So definitely it's an achievement for me. And last that emails one, by managing emails efficiently, delegating right task to right person, and following that 4D strategy, I'm able to save at least 1 hour, more than 1 hour, I can say. But yes, 1 hour at least I'm saving daily, on daily basis at least.
Really nice progress that you have made, and amazing. Let's have a round of applause.
Thank you. So from this, actually, this thought also I took from this LMI portal only. So that is also a very nice thought. Uh, Definitely, that says I recommend you take care of minutes, for the hours will take care of themselves. That is a very nice thought, very positive thought. I need to save each and every minute. Definitely, if I regard the minute, definitely the hour will regard myself. So that is there. So I'm just loving the LMI show, and I'm definitely creating a positive thought in my day-to-day activities. That gives me boosting it overall.
Brilliant. Keep it up.
Yes,
So
thank
now
you.
let's move to. So Anuragji, do you want to share your presentation?
Yes.
So should I make you co-host?
Yes, please.
Thank you. So that's really nice that Anuragji, though he is not keeping well since a week or so, but still he is so committed that he has made for the class and he has emailed his presentation and he is now sharing it. Kudos to you.
Thank you. Yeah. Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yes. See, the best ideas, a lot of other best ideas uh, in the all the 4 chapters. 4th chapter, I was could not concentrate much. So 4th chapter के बारे में इसमें ज़्यादा नहीं है, but 3 chapters that I had gone through. This first is doing the right thing in right amount of time. Generally मेरे साथ ये हो रहा था कि I was spending more time in some activities that was not required that much time. तो ये एक identify हुआ, ये एक जिससे मेरे को benefit मिली है. Then identifying time spent for frugal activities and to delegate it. Delegation भी मेरे में एक कमी थी कि सब मैं करना चाहता था, तो कोई भी अपना काम लेके आता था तो मैं कर देता था. So this also, was hampering my self timings or activities that I should concentrate. So this is one benefit I got from the lessons. Third is exercising self-discipline. Morning में alarm तो लगा देता हूँ, उठता नहीं था. So that was one discipline that was done. And finding baselines to set goals. आज के हमारे organization में हर एक areas में क्या baselines हैं? Is it okay? Everybody can hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you are audible and very nice ideas that you are sharing.
Okay. Finding baselines was very important to set where I need to go. Like marketing में आज हमारी 6 महीने में क्या हुआ या साल भर में क्या हुआ, quality control department में क्या हुआ, प्रोडक्शन में क्या चल रहा है, परचेज डिपार्टमेंट्स की क्या हमारी बेसलाइंस हैं, एंड वेयर वी वांट टू रीच. तो हर एक जगह एक बेसलाइन सेट करना इंपॉर्टेंट था पहले, तो ये किया गया. एंड पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग ऑफ कोर्स खुद तो होना ही चाहिए, दूसरों को भी बोलना है. ये सबको मैंने ही बोला है, हैव पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग. जो भी हो गया फॉरगेट इट, इसको कैसे करेक्ट करना है, एंड दिस विल हैपन नेक्स्ट टाइम. दिस वाज गिवन. Setting goals with careful planning. Sorry, I missed. Discarding or forgetting the past which affects the productivity. होता है पास्ट में हमारी जो जिस तरह से हम काम करते आए हैं, लगता है कि वही राइट है, उसको चेंज करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. तो उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना कि क्या प्रैक्टिसेस चल रही हैं, और उस प्रैक्टिस को स्टॉप करके नए प्रोडक्टिविटी कैसे इंप्रूव करना है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना, ये एक लेसन था. सेटिंग गोल्स विद careful planning. Of course, goals एक इसमें proverb भी था, goals without planning is a wish. So just हमारी wishes तो रहती है कि हमें ये करना है. Sorry.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Some more ideas that we should focus on the imperative tasks rather than important. हमारे लिए सभी important लगते हैं, वो डिस्टिंग्विश करना मुश्किल होता है कि कौन सा इम्पेरेटिव है और कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो उस इम्पेरेटिव टास्क को उन लिस्ट में से आइडेंटिफाई करके उस पर पहले काम करना, दिस वाज अ न्यू लर्निंग फॉर मी. हैंडलिंग इंटरप्शंस, emails, phone calls, people coming in with their issues, solving it. So ये सारे कुछ समझ में आए जो इंटरप्शन हम मतलब टाइम फैक्ट्री सुबह जाके शाम हो जाती है, लेकिन दिन भर में देखते थे कि कितना काम हुआ तो लगता था कुछ किया ही नहीं दिन भर में. ये इंटरप्शन एनालाइजर से पता चला कि हाँ ये सारी एक्टिविटीज थी जिसके वजह से 3 घंटे 2 घंटे मेरे ऐसे ही चले गए. So these were the learnings and how to avoid all those उसमें प्रैक्टिस में आ रहा है. Next.
Great to know about your learnings. Indeed,
Thank
it's
you.
commendable.
Thank you. For my business goals, we have to have a target that is set for 27 crores. Even with the COVID, 2 महीने कोई production नहीं हुई, but still we are sure we'll get to this 27 crores. That will be a jump of around 20-30% from the last year. तो इस पे planning पूरी चल रही है. All schedules are there, orders are there. We have to just execute it. Reduce cost. ये एक बहुत important हो गया है इस situation में कि how to reduce my cost. So we have identified all last year के सारे financial data से जितने भी finance के heads होते हैं, उस heads में कितने per month average क्या cost थी, like traveling, lot of all the heads जितने होते हैं उसमें identify करके which areas we can reduce. उसमें people are assigned कि ये assigned ये आपकी responsibility है, इसको कम करना, ये identify करके इस पे काम हो रहा है. And कुछ areas में we already got some good reductions, like material purchase में finding different sources. तो उस तरह से हर जगह we are trying to reduce our cost.
So are you
Then,
satisfied the progress with the first 2 goals?
Yes, I am.
Okay, nice, very good.
Yeah. हाँ जी. Then third is scheduling regular meetings. ये एक थी कि coordination पूरी department में हर एक के साथ नहीं हो पा रही था, तो there is an agenda fixed for each meeting. कब किसको किस मीटिंग में कितनी देर आना है. People also know कि मुझे इस टाइम पे आना है, prepare होके आना है. So ad hoc meetings, we are avoiding ad hoc meetings. There are no ad hoc meetings. Scheduled meetings are there. पूरा weekly बना हुआ है कि Tuesday इनकी meeting होगी, Wednesday इनकी होगी, like that. So this is also helping me. Other is LD जो liquidated damages होते हैं, कुछ deliveries late होने के कारण customer से, that percentage is also high. हमने देखा last year हमने we lost around maybe 10 lakhs just for LD. 10 लाख मेरी income कम हुई just because of LD. उसको भी कम करना है. Of course एक साथ नहीं हो सकता. Next 3 महीने 4 महीने में 50% करने का target रखा हुआ है. I'll go to next slide.
Yes.
Personal goals, exercising half an hour that I'm doing. Last 1-1.5 महीने से ज़्यादा ही हो गया, regular हो रहा है.
So how do you feel?
नहीं, of course energetic. I'm feeling much energetic. Lockdown में वो पूरा बंद हो गया था, so that has been started. Next is reduce loan by 30%. So this I have a target to reduce my personal loans. Home loan है या कुछ और है, उसको 30% reduce by 31st March. I need to reduce it by 30%. So that is there. Can you please hold?
Yes, is it audible?
Okay. Yeah, spend more, save for higher education for my son. This is one goal for personal goals. इसमें detailing, I'll very be frank, detailing मैं करूँगा अभी, इसमें detailing की नहीं है. So this, but I'm sure I'll be able to do that.
Yeah, maybe this is like one of the actions which you have to take now subsequently.
Yes. So I have identified every month how much I have to save. There is one activities, then other activities जो भी करूँगा, I'll just close this. इसमें detailing नहीं है मेरे पास अभी. Other activities is spending more time with family. एक था मेरे में socially थोड़ा सा कम था, जो मैंने identify किया अपने, जो family और friends दोनों के लिए ज़्यादा बात करता हूँ, अभी फ़ोन कर लेता हूँ उनको। तो ये है पर्सनल गोल्स में।
So how do you feel?
हाँ, better, good. Family is also happy, maybe. I'll go to the next slide.
Very good.
बिहेवियरल चेंजेस, ये प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन एक था जो मेरे में अब उस जैसे कुछ काम करना था लेकिन वो नहीं किया मैंने। तो अभी एक टू डू लिस्ट हमेशा रेडी रहती है, फोन में भी सिंक रहती है, कंप्यूटर जब चालू करता हूँ उसमें भी सिंक रहती है वो लिस्ट, सो दैट आई डोंट मिस क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज हैं जो मुझे करनी है। काफी हेल्पफुल हुआ है ये। एक्चुअली ये मैंने जब पढ़ा व्हाट इज प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन तब समझ में आया कि ये मेरी बिहेवियर प्रॉब्लम है। तो पहले तो लगता था कि नहीं ये तो अभी नहीं कर रहा बिकॉज मैं दूसरे काम में बिजी था। सो दिस वाज वन आइडेंटिफिकेशन दैट आई डिड इन माय बिहेवियर। टाइम मैनेजमेंट वाज करेक्टेड। जैसे मैंने कहा मीटिंग्स का शेड्यूल बांधा गया, उससे ये टाइम मैनेजमेंट हुआ है। पीपल आर नॉट जस्ट कॉल्ड बताओ क्या स्टेटस है, उनको डेडिकेटेड टाइम दे रहे हैं फॉर मीटिंग्स एंड बीइंग डूइंग टू सेव देयर टाइम आल्सो। बिहेवियरल चेंजेस ऑफ कोर्स, ज़ील तो था ही ऑफिस, अभी ज़ील और बढ़ गया है कि जाना है, ये काम करना है, जाके मुझे ये सारे पेंडिंग काम ये करने हैं। एक ये मैंने अपने आप में और चेंज लाया है। दिस इज behavioral change. Again, talking more with friends and family. Socially थोड़ा सा वीक था, तो उसको मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहता हूँ।
Amazing changes. Let's have a round of applause.
Thank you. 7-day goals achieved. Deciding and ensuring weekly scheduled meetings and adhering to ad hoc meetings, ये अचीव हुआ है। फैक्ट्री में 5S एक्टिविटीज इनिशिएट हो गई थी, काफी अच्छा काम हुआ है। फिर बेसलाइंस आर डिसाइडेड और ऑल की रिजल्ट एरियाज आर डिफाइंड नाउ। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर डिसाइड किया एंड सर्कुलेट किया, सो एवरीबडी नोज कि किसको क्या काम है, किसके अंडर क्या काम करना है। सी ये दिस इज लाइक एक फैमिली ओन्ड बिजनेस से कॉर्पोरेट बिजनेस के स्ट्रक्चर को करना ये डिफिकल्ट होता है, क्योंकि कितने साल ये फैमिली ओन्ड बिजनेस के हिसाब से ही चला है, बट नाउ वी वांट टू चेंज इट इनटू अ कॉर्पोरेट रन बिजनेस। तो उसमें ये सब जरूरत पड़ती है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर ये सब डिसाइड करने के लिए। नेक्स्ट 7-day गोल्स वाज क्रिटिकल एक प्रोजेक्ट था, उसके हमें बहुत ही बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन इश्यूज एंड पीपल और दूसरे ऑफिस भी बंद थी, तो हमें ये सारी डिले हो रही थी। तो उसमें बहुत छोटे टाइम में सारा डिसाइड करना था, सबसे बात करके निगोशिएट फाइनलाइज मटेरियल ऑर्डरिंग। तो ये काफी 7 days गोल के अंदर हमने किया प्लान करके।
Wow. So congratulations for your victories.
Thank you.
And you will get many more in the coming times.
Right.
Great going.
Right. This is the end.
Nice. And now let's come to Anmol. So Anmol, do you want to share the presentation at your end, and should I share?
So I can just, I'm on the phone right now. So either I can read out from my end, or maybe you can share the presentation, or like whatever works for us.
Yeah, so I am just sharing the presentation so that it is convenient to you.
All right, sir.
Yeah, just a minute. But yeah, you can start sharing your best ideas. Yeah.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
All right. So the best ideas that I've used from the lessons are, the first one is scheduling. Like I wasn't scheduling anything before because I had prospecting to be done. I had the work to be done because I was doing it all myself. So the very first thing I focused upon was scheduling. कि इस particular time पे I'll schedule the calls, and इस particular time पे I'll schedule the work. कि मतलब I'll allot 1 hour or maybe 2 hours every day to do the prospecting and that kind of stuff, the meetings and everything.
So I put
And
up the screen also. You can use that.
All right, sir. And so the second best lesson, the best idea I've got from the lesson is goal setting and personal productivity again. वो तो सर मतलब शुरू से चल ही रहा है and it is continuously in progress because I've been increasing my goals, you know, weekly or maybe fortnightly. As I achieve one and I just move further with the other one. I'm setting smaller goals initially, and then when I'm achieving them, I'm increasing them step by step. And I'm pre-planning my days, sir, because earlier what I used to do was I was planning my days. जैसे मैं सुबह सो के उठता था तो I used to take out maybe half an hour or 1 hour to plan my day. So what I'm doing these days is I'm planning the day पहले पहले वाली रात को ही मतलब रात को सोने से पहले I just set for maybe 20 or 25 minutes and I just plan it out everything. जो भी मतलब डिटेल्स होती हैं काम की I take from the client in the beginning itself एक दिन prior ही. So I know कि कल के लिए क्या क्या होने वाला है.
Nice, very good.
And sir, I've been tracking daily tasks. जो भी मतलब मैं काम करता हूँ, I've been making sheets, I've been making accounts myself, I've been handling the supplies that I've been giving, the work that I've been giving to the clients, the redos I've been giving, everything. So I have a track of everything that I've been doing and all the things that I've been receiving from their end. I've sent the visualization of the goal, sir, to you via mail itself. So I have that in my computer too, saved whenever I'm working. I'm just, you know, whenever I get maybe few minutes, I just open that up so that I'm pumped up again to work again and again for that goal. And so time तो मतलब सारा हाई पे ऑफ एक्टिविटीज में जा रहा है मेरा और किसी चीज में जा ही नहीं रहा है सबसे पूरा दिन सारा मतलब काम में ही होता है मेन तो जैसे मतलब एक या 2 दिन बीच में फ्री मिल जाते हैं वीक में तो आई जस्ट स्टार्ट प्रोस्पेक्टिंग मोर वरना मतलब सारा काम ही चलता रहता है रेगुलरली
Okay, great.
एंड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ टाइम अगेन वही चीज सर मतलब चल ही रहा है वो कंटिन्यूअसली आई शुड से इट्स अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस फॉर मी I have seen a bit of self-discipline in the personal aspects. Like I've been working out regularly now. I've been waking up on time. एक schedule बना लिया था that I'll wake up at 9, then I'll wake up at 8 from the next week. So अब constant हो गया वो consistency आ गई है उसमें. I've been waking up daily at 8 a.m. itself, and I believe it's very big for me because उससे I feel energized more and time मिल जाता है मुझे काफी ज़्यादा 3-4 घंटे मिल जाते हैं मतलब एक्स्ट्रा दिन में.
Nice.
रिटन गोल सर डेली के वही प्रायर जो मतलब मैं एक रात पहले लिख के सोता हूँ पूरा शेड्यूल करके सोता हूँ कि कल का क्या है एंड 7 डे गोल भी मेरे पास रिटर्न रहते हैं हमेशा कंप्यूटर में एंड मंथली गोल भी रिटर्न रहते हैं सो आई नो कि मतलब कैसे कैसे बाइफिकेशन है एंड व्हाट ऑल चेंजेस आई नीड टू मेक एंड टाइम पिक्चर सर एक टाइम जैसे मैं अलॉट कर लेता हूँ कि इस टास्क को इतना टाइम देना है अगर आधे घंटे में नहीं हुआ तो उसको छोड़ देता हूँ फिर मैं जितना बच जाता है उसको फिर एक स्पेयर टाइम निकाल के उसमें एडिट कर मतलब कुछ भी अगर चेंजेस करने होते हैं उस चीज में या फिर कुछ भी फाइनलाइज करना होता है उसमें सो आई डू दैट इन द मीन टाइम मतलब उसको तब छोड़ देता हूँ अगर 4 से 4:30 को करना है तो 4 से 4:30 ही करूंगा उसके बाद नहीं करूंगा एंड प्रायोरिटी सेट है सर मतलब चीजें जो पहले से प्लान है वही चल रही हैं एंड नई प्रायोरिटी सेट कर रहा हूँ मैं कि मतलब फाइनेंशियल ईयर के बाद से क्या प्लान्स हैं मेरे एंड हाउ आई नीड टू अचीव थिंग्स बिकॉज अभी डिग्री मतलब कंप्लीट ही हो जाएगी इस साल सो आई बी पुशिंग अप फॉर द मास्टर्स इटसेल्फ
Yeah, it's
and
nice that
communication
with
sir
your graduation
I
you are
used to
doing this.
be very
That's
I should
really
say
commendable.
one-sided I used to do very one-sided communication either I used to listen itself what the other party is saying or I just used to speak about what I can deliver to them so I believe the two-way communication is what makes the things more working for me now that I have realized with time. I've added 2 clients sir, in the month of October. Actually, 3. I added one yesterday too, in the evening itself.
Oh, congratulations.
So it's around 3 clients in just the month of October. उससे पहले तो मतलब I haven't added any repeated client, I should say, which I was working with for the long term. So in the month of October, I should say I've added 3 clients now. and
Very good.
I'll be adding at least 2 clients more. I have a target of 5 clients actually. I wish to add, around 10 clients in the portfolio by the end of November. But I had a target of 5 clients this month too, but it couldn't be achieved as of now. And win-win goals personal, ये तो सर मतलब काफी ऐसे ही मैंने लिखे हुए हैं, इनका कोई अभी वो नहीं है कुछ
Okay.
मतलब.
Can you think of some goals, personal goals, which you want to complete in next 3 months?
Sir, I don't have any personal goals as such. I
Or
know
you want to take some steps with respect to these? The next
maybe, sir,
say,
because they'll be calculated in the monetary terms itself if I consider them.
say for example, spending time with the family. So can you think of specifying the time per week basis?
Of course, sir.
And also, can you think of say next 3 to 6 months, what step you want to take for say stress-free life or vacation, travel?
Of course, sir. I'll just revise the PPT and I'll resend it to you with the personal goals.
Sure, because that's very important.
All right, sir. Because I don't have any, to be very honest, that I should consider. These are just like, these are just for the sake of doing something, nothing else.
Maybe
They are
you
more
can
about.
introspect further, and those which are important for you, take those,
All right, sir.
because that will help you to have balance of life.
All right, sir.
Do you think is it
And
important?
sir, I don't know, to be very honest, because all I can think about right now is the professional side of my life right now, to be very honest.
Yeah, that's fine because you are at this juncture. Maybe you can think of education or think of, because the other aspects should also add to your professional life. If you keep achieving the goals in the other aspects of your life, it will help you in professional life also.
All right, sir.
Okay.
And sir, with regard to the behavior changes, I've developed the listening skill, I should say, because I told you, like, earlier I used to just maybe, there was just only one way communication that was happening amongst me and my client, or the prospect, I should say. So I try to listen more rather than, I try to understand more about what the client needs. So that enables me to identify and explore more opportunities which I can indulge into and I can offer to the client.
That's amazing. Very good.
And sir, I have started studying the market, because what I used to do was I just used to start executing something without understanding the importance or understanding the structuring, how the market works and how
Yeah.
things are working in that particular field. So I've started spending time on that. I've started researching about that so that I can understand what I can, how I can work in the market, because market doesn't work around me. I work around the market.
Right.
So that is something I have explored recently and I've been working upon. And a very big plus that I have had in the past few months is avoiding distractions, sir. I was like very, very distracted because of the internet, because of my phone. It used to ring all the time and मतलब लोगों के messages आते रहते थे and it used to distract me a lot from the work. So मैंने उसको avoid करना धीरे धीरे शुरू कर दिया था and अब मतलब बिल्कुल ही साइड ही रख के काम करता हूँ फोन को. मैं
Now,
जब
how
बैठता
do you
हूँ काम
feel
करने
now?
तो फोन साथ में नहीं रखता.
So, Anmol, how do you
And so,
feel?
sorry sir, you're not audible.
Yeah, I'm asking, how do you feel as you have
Sir, I
started
feel
avoiding distractions? How do you feel?
Sir, I feel the things that were distracting me weren't important at the very first place in my mind. I had a feeling that they aren't important, and I was just paying unnecessary heed to those things basically.
वो पहले भी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं थी और वो अभी भी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बस पहले मैं उन पे फोकस ज्यादा कर रहा था.
Right.
And I've started learning to say a no whenever required, sir, because prospects कभी-कभार ऐसे आ जाते हैं, जिनकी पेइंग कैपेसिटी नहीं होती और जिनको काम पूरा चाहिए होता है. सो मैंने बहुत क्लियर कट, जैसे ही मैं मतलब उनसे डिस्कस करता हूँ, एंड व्हेन दे present the opportunity, if I don't like it, I directly say a no. I don't waste either my time or their time.
I think you have discussed these points.
Yes, sir.
So congratulations on your progress, Anmol,
Thank you, sir.
and you will be achieving much more. In
I
the
really
coming
hope, sir, because I've been pushing since a time now, and it's just October that I've seen some upscaling in the things.
Good, good. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
So really, I'm really happy to know progress of each one of you, and my best wishes for more progress in the coming times. So let us discuss few more important points of the day. Maybe all of you, those who are in position, they can share their videos also now. Yeah. And now I am just sharing the screen so that we can discuss further. So we have done midterm presentation and sharing. Now we'll do one very important thing today. We'll start doing this right from this session onwards. And it is really useful. As we were discussing about managing interruptions, we were discussing about the points relating to the